Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this channel you're going to get lots of education video. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel. If you like the content, do hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you have subscribed my this channel, go and check out this channel too, Shubham NR Chaudhary. The promotion will be of 40 minutes. I'm telling about my channel. So this is where you get educational videos, and over here you can check out if you want. So go ahead. If you want to skip this 1 minute video, no worries. So subscribe this channel, stay tuned for all the updates, and subscribe and hit the bell icon. For first and foremost, hit the bell icon, and let's start the video. So we going to learn simple interest. हम लोग लर्न करेंगे सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. तो पहले उसका इजी जो फॉर्मूले होते हैं हम लोग उस पे गौर फरमाएंगे कि व्हाट आर द फॉर्मूला फॉर बेसिकली द मेन फार्मूला वी टॉक अबाउट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला क्या है. अगर टाइम नहीं दिया तो टाइम का फॉर्मूला क्या है, अगर प्रिंसिपल नहीं दिया हो तो प्रिंसिपल का फॉर्मूला क्या है. हम लोग इस वीडियो 5 मिनट के वीडियो में वी विल टॉक अबाउट दिस. बेसिकली जो गवर्नमेंट एस्पिरेंट्स है, गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए जो एसएससी रेलवे के लिए फॉर्म भरा है, उनके लिए ये वीडियो बहुत काम का है. एंड 9, 8, 10 के स्टूडेंट्स देख सकते हैं, बट इसको अप्लाई सिर्फ फॉर्मूले को कर सकते हैं और क्वेश्चंस देख सकते हैं अपने माइंड को फ्री करने के लिए. ये बेसिकली कैट एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए भी है जो कैट का एग्ज़ाम देते हैं. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फॉर्मूला देखते हैं. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला, बेसिक फॉर्मूला सबको पता होगा. प्रिंसिपल इनटू रेट इनटू टाइम होल डिवाइडेड बाय 100. अब यही जब इसको हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, SI इक्वल्स टू P इंटू R इंटू टाइम. इफ यू आर गेटिंग हिट अ लाइट बटन, so we can write like this also, or as well as we can write like this. So next will be, if principal is not provided to us, how are we going to find it? If simple interest, rate, time is given but principal is not given, so the formula is simple interest multiplied by 100 whole divided by rate into time. This is the main formula for principal. If principal is not given, then we can apply this formula to find principal. If you have been provided simple interest, rate, time, then we can find principal. Let's next move to next. If rate is not given, what you going to do? Then simple interest into 100 whole divided by principal into time. These are some basic rule we going to learn, and please watch the video till the end. If you are watching till the end, you are getting all the rules. So if we haven't provided the rate, we are going to find like this: simple interest into 100 into whole divided by principal into time. Then if time is not provided to you, then what you going to do? Simple interest into 100 whole divided by principal into rate. You can see that only the lower part which has been not been provided to us, like this, simple interest have came up and all the thing have came down. 100 is went up, and we can do by this. So how can we find amount? Amount equals to principal plus simple interest, or we can find simple interest equals to amount minus principal. Okay, you getting this? So let's move to the rule number 2. Very important rule for all of us. So the rule number 2 is, if there are distinct rate of interest for distinct time period. Okay, for rate first year there is different rate, for second year there is different rate, then how we going to find our simple interest? So let's start. We will get the formula. like what I'm talking. Are you getting me? I'm talking about if first year the rate is different, the rate is like 6, second year the rate is 7, then what we going to do? We're going to confuse ourselves, but there is a formula for that. So, if there is different types of rate, how we can find that one? So, rate for first year, we can say that interest for distinct time period, distinct rate, different rate for different time period. So, let's get to rate of first year. Rate for first year is R1%. Okay, for time is T1. T2 rate for second year is R2%. And like this, we have got many more. So, exactly we can find for 3 year rate for third year is R3%. Okay. So what we going to do? Then the formula for this is principal, the principal which we have been provided into R1 rate 1 into time 1 plus R2 into time 2 plus R3 into time 3 whole divided by 100. This is going to be the way we going to do this if there are different rate for different time. Okay, let's move to the rule number 2. I can also teach rule in between, so this is not the way because there are lots of rule and this video might go long way, so I am going to stop on rule number 3. So you also don't get bored while watching all the rules. You can learn in between the sums. If a certain sum become n times of itself in 10 years, t years on simple interest, then the rate % per annum is. Okay. So it's saying that if a certain sum become n time of itself, okay, in t years on simple interest, then the rate % per annum should be is. So for this the formula is rate % equals to n number of years minus 1 divided by time into 100, and time is number of years minus 1 whole divided by rate into 100%. So these are 3 rules. We're going to learn more 5 to 10 rules, 5 to 6 rules. So stay tuned to this video and share this to your friends. And thanks for having made. There will be lots of videos on SSC exams coming this month, the next month, and SSC, CGL, railways, and many more you can learn from my channel. So subscribe and check out the playlist for your required. Whatever you require, check out. And you can also connect. So thank you. If you have watched the video till the end, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe this channel. Have a good day and stay tuned. Subscribe this channel for more content of educational videos, and you will get all types of video. So stay connected stay safe, and love your parents. Thank you for watching. Tada!